How to access Telegram cloud storage. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to access Telegram cloud storage. First thing, just head over to any of your chat inside of your cloud Telegram application. So once inside here, just click on this message as if you were to write a message, and just right next to the message you can see the paper icon over there. Just tap on it and just click on files from over here, and you will be seeing the Telegram folder and your internal along with side with your internal storage. So just tap on this Telegram folder, and all of the folders which you see here is from the Telegram cloud storage itself. So this is the way you can access your Telegram cloud storage. So if you want to, let's say, upgrade your Telegram cloud storage, you can also head over to this hamburger menu option and just click on settings, and then from over here just click on Telegram Premium, and you can see the option called unlimited cloud storage. So you can also get the unlimited cloud storage for the premium version by subscribing it for 35.99 per dollar per year. So you can check it out if you want. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.